we're waiting for Uber, guys. Ang dami naming dala. We're going to the Moynihan Train Hall Station. So, hagard. Check out na kami sa Courtyard by Marriott. So, Richard booked an Uber XL. Papunta na kaming train station. Haggard. Hi, babe. Say goodbye na to New York.
I did. New Yorker, Mom. So New York.
Yeah.
Let's go there yet.
We're here at the Moynihan Train Hall Station, guys. So, ang dami namin baggage. So, nagpunta kami sa may red cap assistance. I'll show you. Ayan. Hello, love.
Attention, please. Amtrak
Long Island.
152 from Washington and continuing to Boston.
So, dito kami sa Amtrak.
Please stand by for boarding, which will begin momentarily.
Guys, nasi-stress ako. 281 Empire Service, Niagara Falls. Yan yung sked namin. Dito na kami sa train. Buti na lang talaga may red cap assistance kasi hindi namin kaya na kami lang yun buhatin lahat ng luggage namin. So we have reserved 3 coach seats. Ganda ng train, guys. So,
again, ladies and gentlemen, we are a very busy train station. So if you're traveling with somebody, please sit next to them.
So we're gonna travel up to Albany and then we'll transfer to the Vermont Translines
Also, do not
bus.
store your personal possessions on the seat next to you. Please store them
Sana
over
hindi
there
kami
in the area
maiwan.
in each coach where you can store your belongings. If your bag is on the seat and we need the seat, you will be asked to move it to the
And they have onboard dining naman. If magutom kayo. Come on, babe.
Is that cheese?
Yeah, we're having this for lunch. We 12:10 na. Oh, we only have 40 minutes left, anak. Sige, kain na. Oh my goodness, thank God for red cap assistance. Just go. Yay! Yan yung Vermont Translines. Sinalubong niya kami. Thank you, Lord. Donuts, agree, right, babe?
Every day, I cannot go without it.
Yay, we're here na. We're staying here. Hi, baby. Sleepy ka ba, anak? Okay, this is our room. Yan, may microwave. The CR.
Look muna sa bed. Bed.
Pagod. We have 2 queen beds. Yay.
Why is it a queen? It looks like a king.
Okay. Uy, not bad. Yeah, this will be our home until we find our own apartment.
Yeah,
Wow, thank you. May pa-grocery. Ano to? Microwavables. Spam, corned beef, Dunkin', mayo, Nutella. Meron tayong pa-rice cooker. May booster seat si Cassie. May bread. Bananas, grapes. What are these? Cheese. Wet ones. Wow. Ay, thank you. We're here at Denny's. Pagod na, love. Hi, babe. Okay, let's order na. This is our first meal in Vermont. Wow.
That sirloin is melts in your mouth.
Oh, wow.
It really is. It's
Sirloin
delicious.
steak.
Aircon?
Good morning, nightingales! So, ito yung first breakfast namin here in our hotel in Rutland. My water, apple juice,
I'm gonna get this
yogurt,
one. This one.
cereals.
I want this.
Alright, wait, sweetheart. Yan, may bread, may toaster, waffle maker, syrup, and boiled eggs, coffee.
Hi, nightingales. We're in the hotel and we're gonna drive to somewhere. I don't know. It depends on
Yeah.
mom.
Ayan, hinihintay namin yung sundo namin, guys. Punta kaming Walmart. Wala pa kasi yung car namin, wala pa yung social security number namin. So, hindi pa kami talaga makakilos. So, nandito kami sa hotel, provided for by my employer. So, 30 days, yung free accommodation with free breakfast.
Yep.
Pero hopefully, makakita na kami ng permanent housing agad.
Yup. Hi, nightingales. I'm gonna show you the lobby. Okay, let's start. So, first, here's the design of the fireplace, but it doesn't work because it's on the sign. Hi, Dad. Yeah.
You had to come to
That's Mom, what are these? Mom.
Flyers or like activity stuff that you can do here in Vermont.
No.
Ooh. So there's a lot you can, just read about. Maybe draw like that. Hi, Dad. And Daddy is just watching. Are you watching this, huh? There you go. There's also an ATM here. There you go. ATM. There you go. Here's the exit. There it is. Wait, I'm gonna show you. It's it here. This is a cool spot. There's 2 chairs and 1 table. How do you flip? I can't flip. There you go. Bye-bye, nightingales! Mwah!
Ang sarap, guys. Tagaytay feels. Ang temp. Hi, love. Nakangulon agad ng buhok mo. Ako, sa Instagram ko lang to nakikita. Halika na, let's go to Walmart. Just, baby, look, oh, crayons. Wow! Yan, saya-saya naman. $8 Wrangler. Magkano yun? Ay, hindi. Ayoko na pala mag-compute. New York, $11.98. Vermont. Everyday low price. $14.98. Low ba yun? Ba't mamahalan ako, love? 15 times 55. Hindi ko mali sa isip ko, guys. Compute ako ng compute ng times 55. Okay. Come on. Daming jacket. Alright. Mission totoo. Walang tao. Babe, it's a unicorn. Come on. It's a mermaid.
Let's come here, guys. Let's come here. Come here. Come here. No, come here.
Grabe. Nandito naman lahat, Beshi.
That.
Oh. Hanap pa naman maganda. Ang dami namang choices. Soothing wash. Textured hair care. Okay. $7.47. Ito na lang. Shampoo. Baby Dove.
Yes, dito slippers.
Okay na to. Ayun! Ay! Baby drops. Yan, favorite niya ngayon, si Encanto.
Yay, Bruno! Hi, Bruno.
Yan, hanap kami ng plate. Tignan nyo nila yung mga prices, guys. Para may idea kayo. $4.96. Yung Corel, $4.16. Lunch plate, dinner plate. Ayan. Tapos yung utensils nila yan, tigwa $1, $1.26. Tapos apat. Not bad apat na.
Hello.
Ayan, may rice. So, bili kami ng beef teriyaki. $3.12. Yes, rice.
Guys, really?
So, chopped spinach. Magkano to?
Spinach.
Sige na nga, open ko na nga.
Spinach.
Broccoli. Tigwa $1 for $4. Ito, spam.
Parehas lang.
3.58. Ano tong mga to?
200. Same.
Okay.
Times 56 yun.
Mac and cheese. Meron pa kami binigay niyan. Uy, pumpkin spice. Lavo. Ano to? 17.48. Fall flavors. Limited edition. Ooh. Yun, may salted caramel. Ito na, Scotch Brite. 3.32, tatlo na siya, guys. Tapos, ito yung malaki. Tatlo na, 3.32.
Tatlo na.
Daming iba-ibang klaseng Scotch Brite. Okay na to. Okay.
You can
Remember that.
Okay. Gusto niya ng bath bomb kasi may bathtub sa hotel.
Yan, price naman.
So, naghahanap kami ng bath bomb. Ayan, guys. Bili ako ng Midol. Grabe, lahat nandito. Lahat ng gamot nila. Shampoo and lotion for Cassie. Try namin kung okay.
Mom, are we gonna leave?
Yeah. Ooh, it's Vermont. Pure maple.
I don't like pure maple syrup.
No, you haven't even tasted it yet. Wow. And self-checkout. This is a hamper. Okay.
Hi, nightingales. We're paying right here. Hi, Dad. Hi, Mom.
Hi, sweetheart.
That's what Mommy ordered, right? This is what you ordered, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's That's my slippers. There you go. Come on. How satisfied are you?
With your visit. Yeah, we're...
Thank you for shopping at Walmart.
Okay. Yan yung sundo namin, guys. O, diba? May sundo pa kami. Mag-grocery lang.